Alright, welcome to my video tutorial again. On this class, I'll be tutoring Revit 3D architectures. This tutorial is written from Expert Tutor, a tutor video training wings of Big Books system. Just visit our website bigbooks.ng. We train on AutoCAD, Maya, 3ds Max, anything 3D and other networking and then other IT related programs. I'm your tutor at Stair. I'm the CEO of Big Book System. So let's launch our Revit. That is purely for architectural 3D building designs. I load my Revit. I already have a simple 3D building here. I can orbit my building. You can see that just a single story building, just a very simple building. So what I'm going to do now is I want to add a stair to this building, just a kind of simple stair. I will not be detailing much on this stair, but just to give you a tips on how to add a simple stair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to some of my plan here. I'm going to go to the GF, which is ground floor. I double click. Now double click. This is the ground floor of my building. This is the first floor of my building. And if I should click on roofing, this is a roofing plan. So let me maintain my ground floor. On my ground floor, I will try and come to circulations here and locate what I call stair. Click. We have two types of stair. We have stair by component and stair by sketch. So I will use my stair by sketch. When I click on my stair by sketch, perhaps I'll pan this right here. We have some few things here: rounds, boundary, risers, and we have line and then curve, arc type of step. Now, one thing we must notice about creating a stair is when you come to this place, you will discover that base level is ground floor, while top level is first floor. So what it means is that my stair is going to rise from ground to top. That is the meaning of what is here. So you must always focus your attention to understand what is here. You maintain base offset and top offset. Possibly you can put offset right here or negative and stuff like that. So let's just maintain what we have here. Now if I should scroll down again, I have dimension. The width of my stair, the riser of my stair is 17, the width is 700. So if I should move right about inside this place, I can start creating a stair. So if I should stay here, I can click and move out. What I'm creating, you will see that it's telling me the number of riser that I have created, number of riser that is remaining. Just take through the grade faded. You see that 11 remaining somewhere on the screen. Just look at where you see that horizontal. You see 11 remaining. So as I proceed, 9 remaining, and then I have 7 remaining. So let me just come back here. 9 created, 8 remaining. So if I should come back here, 8 created, 9 remaining. So if I should click here, I've created 8. You see 8 riser created, so 9 is remaining. If I should move somewhere around here, and then I click right about here and moved in this direction and drop, it will automatically create a landing for me, and it says 17 riser has been created. The landing is automatically created. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on finish. When I click on finish, my stair is going to be created. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to 3D. On 3D, I'm going to look at my stair. Now you can see how my stair was created. Let me orbit this, and right about let me just push this out. So you can see how my stair was created right about here. So that is that, and now we create a simple stair. So perhaps if you're having some issues with this, there are a few things we can correct. We can correct the editing of these. You can select this, because now if you look at the stair very well, you can see that the landing right here, it's a bit not in line with the stair. So I can select these. I can go to edit footprint. While I'm on edit footprint, I can go to my first floor. While I've selected that, I can pick this and I can use the move grips to just push it out so that it can be balanced with that, and then I can just click on finished, go back to my 3D again, and then that issue is being corrected right about here. Another thing that we can correct, there are so many things we can correct. We can push back our stair, and then do some other few things right on this stair. You can see how we are having the problems, or rather still the issues right about this point. We can select these stairs, and then we have a top level offset. Let's move it right about 10. Try to push this stair right up. And then we can do some few things. There are many things we can do right about here. It's just I'm just trying to maintain these for now. You know, there are a few things that I can do. I won't just be discussing right about how we do many modification right here. My primary objective was just to show you how to create a stair ordinarily. So that is that about creating a stair. There are more things, there are more video tutorial you can be seeing now. I'll be editing my stairs and adding some other few things right about it. So you can see, just trying to push this stair out, and then you can see right about there. So that is that about creating a stair. There are a few things we can do to our stair. I can teach you some lot of editing on stairs. Let's push that very well, and then right about here, let's highlight it, and then just train it out very well. And then if I should just go to 3D, you can see right now, and then we have a very cool result now. It's balanced with that edges, so you can see that. And here, if you need this place to be balanced with this, we can just select it, edit boundary, and perhaps I can just go back to my ground floor. While I've select this object, I can, you know, just come here, right about somewhere here. I can then just pin this. Come in, I can just take pin this, move somewhere right about here, and click, and just move right about somewhere here. And then it can just be as that, you know, just click right about here and drop. So press the escape tabs, and then trim through extend corner, just clean this place up, and join element, and then I can just select this point. I can just right about pick this point, and then I just come and pick this point. And then if I should click finished, I can just go to 3D right about here, and then you can see the cleanup right was done, and then you can see. So what happened is that it will be easy to climb the stair right about this point now. Now there are a few things I can create about my stair handling and stuff like that. So many things to stair. So that's that about that. Meanwhile, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in another video.